everyone, it's your girl Allie. I'm back again. So today this video is based on a lace front wig. So today I'm going to be doing one, and I'm considering today is like a backup because I'm going to be using backup when it comes down to doing your lace front wig and you realize you don't have any ghost bond to enhance to do your wig, your lace front. So I will be using Got2b. I'm going to use it to enhance my lace front to keep it down. So the wig that I'll be using, it will be this one, the RJ Park wig. Okay, it also comes with a band that you can actually put on after you put your stocking cap on, and you can put the actual band on, so it comes with one inside of it. You also can use a curling iron with it. It's safe up to about 350. You can use it on there. It has also 100% natural black castor oil that's added onto it. Okay, so this is a RJ Gold. It's a style, and the color is #1. Okay, and it's 100% natural human hair feel. So it's pretty good. I've been using this brand for a little while. Okay, so I'm gonna make a thumbnail real quick. Okay, so I already prepped my hair, you guys. So all I did was braided it, and then I actually applied a little bit of the Got2b on the part so I can make the part straight. I don't know if you can see, it's not as straight. You don't really have to make it as perfect as you want, because you're gonna actually wear a stocking cap that I will be wearing over it. So I just made it as good as I could, because I already had the braids in already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply the cap over it in just a minute. So all I did basically was apply the Got2b glue. So I applied it here on the space to make the actual space clearer and better for me. So once I apply the cap, you can actually see the line of the part. Okay, so I also apply some out here so you can see it. Okay, and then I dried it. Okay, so the first thing first, I'm going to the hair to the side, and I'm getting ready to put my cap on. Now, Got2b glue, I only use it as a backup, just as a backup, you guys. Not something that I will recommend anybody to use just to use it, but it is a backup if you don't have any other enhance to actually lay your lace front wig down. So yes, it do hold it. When you use Got2b, it doesn't hold it for a long period of time, but if you're not planning on using it but for so long, the Got2b glue is actually good. It holds it down with no problem. I say depends on how you take good care of it. It can last for a good 2, 3, 4 days, maybe 5 days, or to a week. Depends on how good you take care of it with the Got2b. But I usually use the Ghost Bond. The Ghost Bond is actually good, and it actually holds the lace down. Okay, so now I place the cap on, you guys. I'm gonna see how I actually want it. I'm placing it down how I want it. I'm just bringing it down just a little bit, you guys. Okay. Okay, maybe I take the earrings out. Okay. I always try to pull it down as far as I can to the back. I am going to put a little hole in here for my ears. Okay. This is just so you can hold the cap in place. When you're doing this, just be careful because you do not want to cut your ear. And I'm looking to the side because I have a mirror, you guys. Right here. All right. Okay. Now, I have a freeze spray for Got2b. I'm going to actually apply that here. And you see what I do, I spray. You don't want to spray for so much and you don't want to stay far away from your eye. So if you feel that it's still going to get in your eyes, it's always best to kind of like cover your eye a little bit and then go. So just spray to a distance. So now I'm going to go ahead and blow dry the outside perimeter where I'm spraying the actual frizz spray so that it can dry. Okay, after I get it dry real good, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting it. Start from the middle and off to the sides. Okay, now I am adding foundation to my hair. I also use a pencil liner, outline. You could use an eyeliner or eyebrow pencil, whatever your preference is, and just actually draw where your lining of your part is so you can know where it's at, which I'm showing you right there. Okay, so the little band that came with it, it looks like this, as you can put on the head. Okay, that helps grip the wig. It grips the wig so it can stay tight. Okay, I'm gonna need that. Okay. Ooh. You don't need that. The hair looks good. Center, and I bring it down to where I want it. And this is where I want it. This is where I exactly want it. Okay. All right. This is what I do. I hold it in place, and where I put the line is where I cut. So my line will be from right here Okay. So, I'm going to pull the wig back. Put the Got2b glue. Okay, put it right here in the front. You really don't need but so much. Okay, so now I'm just gonna blow dry this real quick. Okay, I'm just adding a little frizz spray and just actually smoothing it in and drying it. And I'm gonna touch my hairline just in between, just to see if it's actually sticky or not. Once it starts to get really sticky, then you know it's actually ready. So just touching it. Sorry, you guys, they are cutting our grass today. Oof. So much noise in the background. All right. Okay. Try not to pull on the lace itself. I'm just bringing it down where I actually want it. Okay. And just lay it down where I got so much stuff everywhere. Okay. Bear with me, guys. Now I'm gonna cut part that I said I wanted to cut. I'm making sure everything is out of the way and not in the way at all. Now when you're using this, you have to be extra careful. Whatever you do, don't cut yourself. If you haven't mastered using this, don't use this. Use the scissors or shears or whatever your preference is to use. Okay. In this case, because I'm going to work, in some cases I really don't do a whole lot, just wear it just the way it is. And then if I'm going somewhere like really nice or something, I'll go more into detail with the hair. So I'm gonna wear it just like this for today, and this is pretty much it. You do want to make sure your back is all the way down and secure. And this is it, everyone. As you can see, everything came out good. And it came out pretty good. And you can actually see the parts. All right. So next time, if you like what you see and you would like to see more, I will actually be doing some natural hairstyles as well. So I'll be coming up to doing that very soon. I know I have said that when I first started the channel, so I will be doing that very soon. So if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and tune in next time. Bye, you guys.